You probably know that 3D printing is being used for making small prototypes and parts, but what you may not know is that you can now buy a 3D printer big enough to print a planter, a wall, or even a house. MudBots in Midvale, Utah is revolutionizing the construction industry with their giant 3D printers. We caught up with the founder of MudBots, James Lyman, for a quick conversation about this technology.
James, thank you so much for being with us. Right out the gate, what is MudBots?
It's a big boy toy. MudBots is for 4 years we've been developing the technology to be able to print with a cementous type material. A lot of people call it 3D concrete printing. It's really more of a mortar mix. We've developed the printer and all the components and the software, everything necessary to be able to print affordable, fast, strong homes.
It is crazy to me how quickly you can 3D print a home.
You can print a 1,200 square foot house in a day and eliminate 7 trades, but it's truly needed all around the world.
Right? We are looking at a housing crisis right now. How is that going to impact and play a part in the way we construct? I'm just thinking concrete, is it built just like a standard home?
In one sense, I'd say it's not comparable to traditional construction at all, because I can do what normally takes 2 months, coordinating contractors and subs and trying to get materials on the site. It eliminates all of that. I can literally do in 2 days what takes normally 2 months. So there's comparisons in the sense that, yeah, we still have electrical and we still have plumbing and different building methods, but it's not comparable at all when it comes to cost and time savings. I have a background in construction in Las Vegas at a construction company down there. 100 employees, it is a coordination nightmare, and that's without codes and building inspectors and architects and everything else that goes with that. But when I saw a Russian guy, he had built a castle in his backyard for his daughter. The moment I saw it, I was just oh my gosh, I wonder if he even knows what he has, because I know what the challenges are in construction. And that's without the lumber crisis that we're under right now. So
you mentioned building codes. What about those government codes? How is MudBots working to make sure they're meeting those codes?
There's nowhere in America or anywhere else where we don't pass code. We're printing with a cementous material that's 3 times the strength of a cinder block. So if you think of us as ICF, where there's a foam shell and you put your rebar and your plumbing and electrical in it and then pour it solid full of concrete, it passes code everywhere. What you want to do though is ideally not pour the center with concrete, because you don't have a very good R value. An 8-inch concrete wall it's under R3. But if we fill it with closed cell foam, which is R7 for every inch of infeed that we put in there, you got an R35 wall for your exterior. Interior walls don't need anything. They're so much stronger than drywall and stick framing, metal framing, just no comparison whatsoever.
3D printing technology applied to one of the most crucial aspects of our lives, housing. It's an incredibly exciting development. Its ability to unleash creativity for architects while saving money and natural resources makes this the next stage of construction.